Melange. I kept a water for you upstairs. Do you want to drink from this? Tell me. Why you want to drink from this? There is water upstairs for you. Why you want to take so much of efforts and drink from this bucket? I'm putting water to garden. You mad cat. Done? Can I put these two plants now? Kitty kitty, can I put these plants? You have no business to do. You are Velela Tambatan and making me also sing. Okay, eat. We don't have to buy cat food then. You Dola Matola cat.
जाडे ये जाडे पाणी पिऊन झालं का तुझं? पाणी पिऊन झालं?